So in order to resolve the problem that I have, because I have two monitors, I have to do this thing. No, actually the Python puzzle.py. Okay, so the window opens in the next monitor, but in order to make it work, I have just to refresh and choose a puzzle. Okay, so actually it would look something like this, but initially no puzzle would be present here, so I would have to select refresh all the puzzles, in our case just one puzzle, select it and then choose the puzzle. Okay, so we have some puzzle pieces randomly put around the canvas, I say so. Okay, so I do not know, maybe planet comes together with Jupiter. Okay, planet comes together with Jupiter in some sense, because Jupiter is a planet. And as you can see, I don't have to actually drag the piece in its exact position, just around the other piece, and it just snaps together. Okay, let's complete this puzzle. Maybe orbit comes here, a planet has an orbit, so yeah, probably it's um, the correct way. Okay, if you want to find out the correct way to resolve the puzzle, it's something like you go to this file, this intermediary file, you open it, and you can see that each line represents a line in the matrix. So Jupiter comes with system, where it's system. I can't pick system because it was under those pieces, so I have to put the other pieces in other place, just so I can grab system. So if there are multiple pieces in one place, there may be one that's behind another and something like this, so you have to just make way for the pieces. So it's Jupiter system and then something. Let's see where it's something. I can't see something. It's somewhere around here, but I just couldn't pick it because it was under all those pieces. Then it's planet star. Okay, so star, a star and a planet form a system. Okay, and Jupiter is a planet. A planet has an orbit. A planet usually is around the star, so it makes sense. Um, the word thing. Okay, so a star is a thing, and orbit maybe is a thing. Okay, way. Something way star. As you can see here, two words that are commonly used like something and thing are present. Why? Because the processor uses them a lot. I could make something like to extract these words, but I just have to do this for every lecture and for every professor. So the puzzle is not perfect, but as you can see, a lot of the words, actually 9 words out of 7 out of 9 have a meaning, real meaning. So velocity also has a meaning here. Now if I put this puzzle piece here, you can see it will fit perfectly. Actually the canvas will close because I'm done. So when I'm done, the canvas is closed. I know that was the correct option. Now let's take a puzzle with more pieces. In order to create a puzzle in more pieces, we have to go again and use the interface program. Maybe I'll choose another name. Let's say puzzle, select method, English 300, select course. I don't know, maybe transcript 12, select lecture, and then start. And it then asks me, let's say 5. Matrix of 5 by 5, get additional information. it does its magic part in the background, and it takes a little bit longer because the puzzle is greater and it has to determine many more relations. Okay, so the puzzle with many, okay, it's here. You can see that a new file has been added. Let's close this and open again the puzzle.py. Shall choose it on oops, I've said that choose file without choosing one, so an error was thrown. Okay, so I'll just choose the puzzle, just choose on the puzzle. As you can see, the pieces of the puzzle are smaller and also the font is smaller. Why? Because the size of the window stays the same. So in order for the puzzle to fit the window, it has to be shrunken. Okay, so the more pieces you put there, the more the smaller will be each piece. Okay, so and of course, if you want to resolve this, you just have to go to this intermediary file and see idea, then there's a star, then there's an object, then there's star again, that's form. I'm reading word this is a word, if you see stars there, means that no other piece could be put there, or no other keyword could be put there, so a star has been chosen just to keep the puzzle together. And if you see some down, up, or none here, you just don't have to take this nonsense. You just have to read the first word here, the first word here, the first word here, and the first word here to make the puzzle. But that would be cheating. Let's close this puzzle and come back to the other one. As you can see, the other one is here because it was already generated. Let's put the puzzle pieces again here, and I wanted to say one more thing about these puzzle pieces. I don't think star went there, and orbit. Yeah, actually, no. I do not know if planet. Let's open it again. See which. So it's Jupiter, and here is planet, and yeah, here it's orbit. So I was correct. So system comes in here. System, yeah, and way comes in. Way, no, way comes in here probably. Yeah, something comes in here. Velocity comes in here. I won't put this puzzle in its place because I want to show something. The most important keywords are in the center. So the puzzle is generating something like this: star, way, something, system, Jupiter, planet, orbit, thing, and velocity. Okay, so the most important are here in the center, and then like let's say a snail trail, it is generated after that. So this concludes my demonstration of this puzzle program. I hope it's okay.